Check my video description for the site link. Select this assembled mod.cpp. Copy this code. Once done, check my video description for this WinHawk download link. Once download done, install the WinHawk. Once installation done, select create a new mod option. Just select this codes and press Ctrl+A to select all. Use the backspace to delete and paste the code we copied and click on this compile mod. Once this done, you can now just click on exit editing mode and close tab here. I click on the dock and select taskbar settings. In search, click on the drop down and select search icon only and then close tab here. I click on the desktop and select view and select show desktop icons, and that's it. This is the final look. It looks amazing, same like a dock. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.